teach you to cut an onion properly, to finely chop it. So first thing you want to do is cut it right down the middle in the stem so that it does not bleed. Because if you cut the stem off, it will bleed and you will start crying like a little baby. So you cut it right down middle, just like that. Got your onion. You're going to finely chop it to actually the middle of the stem. So as close as you can, as possible, because you want to get it there. Just let the knife do all the work. Okay, now you're going to cut it right in the middle and right on top. And then you're going to use 3 fingers and you're going to hold it like you're holding a tennis ball. That's what you're going to do. You're going to allow the knife to glide on your middle finger so you're not chopping yourself. Just let your knife do all the work. Okay, then you're left with this little piece. And you just cut like this around it. And all you're left is with the core. And there you go. You got finely chopped onion. Plain, simple, very easy. Finely chopped onion, made simple for anybody. I hope you enjoyed watching Cooking with Jay, how to finely chop an onion properly and the right way, because it's very important to do that. Also, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe below and click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a video, which is Pacific Standard Time at 3 p.m. So please watch it accordingly to that time. And also, hit the thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. And also share this with your friends, family, and every social media you have. And comment below. Don't forget to do that. If you want to see me do something, cook something, whatever, just ask me to do it and I will do it. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Jay's squad and Cooking with Jay. And most importantly, remember, be happy.